Want to lock your Facebook profile on iPhone or Android? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to secure your posts fast. Keep your profile private in 2025. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu, 3 lines, bottom right for iPhone and bottom right for Android. Tap your profile name to go to your profile. Then hit the 3 dots in the top right to open your profile settings. Let's secure it. In Settings, look for Profile Locking. It restricts your posts to friends only. Tap it and you'll see a screen explaining how it works. Hit Lock Your Profile to confirm. Done! Your profile's now locked, keeping your posts private. If you don't see the option, it may not be available in your region yet. Back on your profile, you'll see a padlock or locked profile label. Sweet! To test, log out and view your profile as a non-friend. It'll show limited info. If it's not locked, check your privacy settings or try again. Your Facebook's now super private. Stay safe online. That's it. You've locked your Facebook profile in minutes. Like this video for more privacy hacks, subscribe for weekly tech tips,